In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate regular emails in Microsoft Outlook. By the end, you'll have a reliable, repeatable way to send messages on a schedule and a simple system in Outlook to keep your content organized and ready. First, sign in to your Microsoft 365 account and open Power Automate from the app launcher. This is where we'll define when your messages go out. Choose to create a scheduled cloud flow. Give it a clear name so you can recognize it later, set a start date and time, and choose how often it should repeat daily, weekly, monthly, or whatever cadence fits your workflow. Make sure the time zone is correct so the emails land when you expect. A good practice is to pick a time that suits your recipients and avoids off hours or weekends if that matters to your audience. Next, add a new step and select the Office 365 Outlook action called Send an Email, V2. This is the engine that will actually deliver your message. Enter your recipients in the to field, add a concise, meaningful subject line, and then write your email body. Keep it clear and consistent, and consider using a short signature or footer if your organization requires one. If your content is recurring, write it in a reusable format so it's easy to refresh over time. You can also include links rather than large attachments to keep the message lightweight and more reliable. When you're happy with it, save the flow. It's a good idea to send a quick test to yourself first to check formatting and timing. Now switch to Outlook and open your calendar. Create a new appointment or event dedicated to this recurring email. Set it to recur on the same frequency you defined in Power Automate. This calendar item is your planning space. In the body of the appointment, draft or refine the email content you want to send next. Use it to keep notes, add talking points, and update key details, then add a reminder so it pings you ahead of the send time. Think of it as your personal nudge to review wording, update links, or confirm recipients before the next cycle. With this setup, Power Automate handles the actual send on schedule, while your Outlook calendar keeps you organized and proactive about the content. Keep an eye on your sent folder to confirm deliveries, and if you ever need to pause the campaign, simply turn the flow off. That's it, your regular emails are now automated and managed with confidence.